Today we got G6 Plus gimbal for small mirrorless cameras. This is Omar and welcome to a new episode of Gearbox. The video you just saw was filmed on Sony a6400 with the kit lens. The kit lens has optical steady shot while the camera body has no IPS, no image stabilization. So you most probably will get better result when using a camera that has IPS. This little boy from Feiyutech can hold action cameras, smartphone, and small mirrorless cameras under 800 grams, 1.75 pounds. And it suits beginners and amateur filmmaker. Just weight 600 grams, 1.5 pounds. However, make sure to get a mini tripod because this doesn't come in the package. And you absolutely need it to put the gimbal on a flat surface and balance it. It can fit in mostly any backpack and the battery life can stay to 6 or 7 hours. On the other hand, you can easily connect the camera to the gimbal and access the gimbal record button. And you can also zoom in and zoom out from the gimbal wheel. This gimbal is small and lightweight, and when it comes to my feedback, I use several gimbals and I came from a production background. So for a couple reasons, I see the G6 Plus gimbal fits in amateur and beginner side. It's budget friendly and made in the first place for small mirrorless cameras, action cameras, and the smartphone. So it's for particular target users. Follow panning is quick and it's not smooth as I like, so you need to practice your movement to make the best shot. The lock mode locks the camera to a center point whatever movement you make. And the lock mode slightly changes the center point when moving the camera for a long distance. And because the gimbal is small, some movement requires additional skills to be perfect. The intro video I made filmed at 100 frames per second. I slowed down most of the cuts, so here is some footage, some raw footage at normal speed. So at the end of the day, and if you are on budget, you're still getting a decent footage whether your gimbal performance is good, or using a slow motion, or getting the help of the warp stabilizer effect in Adobe Premiere. So for example, I have this clip and it's a little bit shaky. And this is the result after applying warp stabilizer. Thank you for watching, guys, and let me know what do you think in the comment section down below. And on this channel we make photography and filmmaking gear reviews, so consider subscribing for more. This is Omar and see you in another one.